What is going on YouTube? I'm amongst billions. Please subscribe to the channel, like and share the videos, it'd be appreciated. Today we got another reaction video. TonesAndI, Dance Monkey. I don't know nothing about this song. It's a popular song, so we're gonna check it out, see what's going on. So yeah, let's not waste no time. Dance Monkey, TonesAndI.
This one already before.
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine.
Okay, I noticed something right off the bat here. There was a little trophy on the shelf, golf ball. I see golf clubs in the background here. I don't know if that means anything. Maybe country club or it's an old age retirement home or something, but I see a golf theme just presenting itself already. It looks like she's just old and in a chair, or he, sorry, with the beard.
Take your hand, my
Let's check it out and see where she goes with this.
You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you
Surprise!
every time. And oh my, I like your style. Ooh.
I think she's wearing a Metallica Ride the Lightning t-shirt, if I'm seeing that correctly. She's about 75 years old. He, about 75 years old, rocking that Metallica Ride the Lightning.
You make me wanna cry. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before.
What kind of car is this? Is it an old, like Lincoln, or an old Chev? I don't think it's an old Chev. I'm not sure though. Shit's dope though.
One more time. So they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, eh, eh.
So there's some golf theme going on. They're on a golf course now,
I said, oh my God, I see you walking
tearing up the country club.
Take my hand, steady, and look. I said, oh my God, I see you walking by. Take my hand.
He just drove by that lady, gave her the shooter. A little bit of tongue action. Said, man, I might take you down later.
My D and look me in my eyes. Just like a monkey, I've been dancing my whole life. But you just beg to see.
Just like a monkey, I've been dancing my whole life. I ain't never seen a monkey dance, but I'm sure if they did, they dance pretty hard. Let's not kid ourselves, man. Monkeys probably dance pretty hard.
Me dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time.
Pulled another shooter out.
And oh my,
We'll take you out too.
I like your style. Ooh, you make me.
I just want to say something. These old folks need to go easy on this alcohol because it probably ain't gonna mix good with their medication. They're gonna tear this country club down. Yeah, take it easy on that alcohol. Maybe limit yourself to 1 or 2 drink minimum or max, because once you have to go back to the home and take them meds, you get that mixing. Nope, it ain't gonna be a good night for facility staff. I can tell you that much.
Make me wanna cry. And now I beg to see your thighs just one more time. So they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me. Oh, oh.
She didn't check out the window.
I never
See if
seen
anybody can see her.
anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me. Hey, hey. And when you're done, I'm back to be that again.
She drove by and threw her solo cup at that pussy. Said, put this in the trash, homie.
For me, move for me, move for me. Hey, hey. And when you're done, I'm back to be that again. They say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me. Oh, 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 oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move
Wow,
for me, move
she's
for
having
me.
a hard time with that cart.
And when you're done, I'm back to be
She just put that in the corner pocket.
move for me. Hey, hey. And when
Yep,
you're done,
corner pocket.
to be that again.
She's clowning her buddy, blocking his shot. Here we go with the leaf blower. Hey man, that's one way to put it in the hole. I don't care what type of golf you're doing. If you don't at least attempt one Happy Gilmore shot, you're not playing the game right, man. If you don't at least attempt one Happy Gilmore, you're not living life the way you should be. Let me say that.
Dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh.
And like, come on, you're gonna try and break that shit with your arthritic kneecaps? Geriatric style? That is not bending. I don't care how many times you try and break that. You're not bending it at all. I told you she was gonna get turned up off that alcohol meds. Oh, Mr. Towns, where are you? They left homie at the club. They just weren't. They weren't riding with that dude anymore. He must have fucked up somehow in back at the 18th green or something. They done jumped in the cart and said, "Peace, bro. You cannot come with us." But anyway, that was Tones and I, Dance Monkey. The song, I don't know what to say about the song. The song was kind of just I don't know, I guess like a club song or something you could dance to or something like that. But the video was pretty funny. You know what I mean? They went to the retirement home, picked up dude and said, "Let's go. We're going out. We're gonna tear it up today. Let's go. You've been sitting here way too long. Check that beard out. Way too long." Got him up off the couch, off the chair. Took him to the country club. They got turned up at brunch on a couple whatevers they was drinking, beers or something. Took some of that med, and they just went out and tore up the golf course. Pretty funny, like all the little country club dudes, they were tossing cups at them and, you know, clowning on them and stuff. Pretty funny video. Anyway, that was Tones and I, Dance Monkey. Like I said, go subscribe to my channel. Go check out my other videos. I got a subscriber giveaway video that I'm trying to get some subscribers up, and then we're gonna give away something. as an appreciation. Other than that, you guys have a good day. I am Amongst Billions. See you on the next one. Peace.